Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do, guess what? We're going to do an unboxing video of this GoPro Hero 9 in the color of black. So if you're curious about that, please keep on watching. Aside from the new gadget, so I got a new haircut too. So you can see, meron tayong bangs dito. Yeah. Then, ginupitan na yung mother ng onte yung buhok ng Favi. Anyway, we're back to the video. So let me just tell you a story before I unbox this item. So, in the Philippines, medyo, alam mo na, nagta-travel ako doon. So, nagka-hiking and snorkeling. So, kailangan ko ng camera na easy to bring. Yung hindi ko kailangan, alam mo na yun, yung tipong madali lang siyang dalhin. Ano ba tawag doon? Handy siya. So, hindi tulad ng mga DSLR na sobrang bibigat. Kailangan ko padalhin yung lens and all. Tapos, kailangan ko ng waterproof na camera. So, kasi nga, nag-snorkeling. So, actually, last time, nag-Apo Reef kami and then nag-snorkeling kami last time before dun sa Puerto Princesa sa Palawan. And alam mo na yun, yung maganda yung etong camera na to. So, yun nga. Kaya this time, I bought it. So, actually, this store, Jumbo store, is an electronic store na currently on sale sila ngayon kasi nga Ramadan. It's a Ramadan sale. So, yun nga. So, this was the GoPro Hero 9 in the color of black. Na, eto na yung, meron siyang, ayun, yung makikita mo yung, meron siyang screen dito sa harapan. And then sa likuran. And then, mas improve siya kaysa dun sa last GoPro Hero 9, I guess. No, I mean 8. Yeah. So, yun. So, the original price was 1,889 as you can see from this tag. Then, nakuha ko na lang siya ng 1,709 dito sa store na to, Jumbo. And, Jumbo na malapit lang dito sa may amin. And, meron pa siyang free na sleeve plus lanyard. So, ganito itsura niya. So, kailangan ko na lang pala bilhin yung mga accessories niya like yung handle and so on. So, let's see. Ito na nga pala yung GoPro Hero. Let me just do a unboxing of this. So, this is the GoPro Hero 9 Black. And this is the sleeve and lanyard, the freebie that I got. So, we're going to unbox this now. So first, let's unbox this sleeve and lanyard. So this is actually a freebie thanks to Jumbo Electronics. So they were having actually that time ng promotion na if you will buy a GoPro Hero 9, you will get it as a freebie. So inside, you will get this lifetime warranty paper. Then this is the sleeve and lanyard. So actually, they gave me an option of blue or white. So I chose this white one because it will complement the color of this GoPro Hero 9 Black. So now we are going to unbox this GoPro Hero 9. The box, there is the camera case. Then once you open the camera case, so inside, you will see a papers that says subscribe to GoPro, have product questions, and some product instruction. Then you will get a USB-C cable. So it includes also some rechargeable battery, then adhesive mount, curve for helmet, then mountain buckle, thumb screw. Then finally, the GoPro Hero 9. By the way, this GoPro Hero 9 Black doesn't include memory card, so you have to purchase it separately. So I bought this SanDisk Extreme Pro with 128 GB. So this is actually good for 4K video filming. I actually got confused where to put the battery. So as you can see here, I'm finding where I'm going to open. But then I actually got it eventually. So actually this is the slot where you're going to insert this memory card. So you just have to push it, then you're gonna hear the click, then that's it. Then you have to insert at the same place yung battery. Then once you insert this battery, you actually have to charge it first before using it. So you have the USB cable C to use this for charging. So this is where you're gonna put the charger cable. Then you can just charge it with a normal USB adapter. So as you can see, you'll see the charging light indicator. So once the light charging indicator is off, means it's already fully charged. So once the device is on, you can just do the normal setup. Then you can connect it with your mobile. same thing with other GoPro Hero 9. You can control it using your mobile. So I will actually need to explore more about this GoPro Hero 9 camera since ito pa lang yung first GoPro Hero 9 ko. So we'll see in the next videos kung how was my experience and all. So that's it. So now, let me show you how I put the sleeve with my GoPro Hero 9 camera. So it's actually easy. So since it's rubber, so you can easily insert the camera with the sleeve. So I'm really so in love with this sleeve, white sleeve, since it complements the color of the GoPro Hero 9 Black. So it's really cute. Then maiiwasan din siyang mag-slide sa kamay nyo kasi nga rubber siya. So that is it for today's video. Hope you like this. And I'm so excited to use this new GoPro Hero 9. So, buti na lang talaga pinili ko yung white. Sobrang nag-complement siya sa GoPro Hero 9 Black. So, I hope you'll be with me once I use this for my next adventure. So, we'll see you on my next vlog. Bye-bye!